Hello everyone. Today I'm discussing about a content writing software that is Writecream. Writecream is an AI generated blog article or cold email or voice over creating software so that you can create your unique content through this AI software. And if we go through the software review, we can see that it's a it's a secret weapon for SEO, sales, and marketing. And if you wanna write a blog or create a podcast or Google Ads or even cold email or LinkedIn sales or creating backlinks, then you can get a great benefit from this software, and we have got it covered. Writecream helps you grow from a product name to a blog article, YouTube video, or podcast in minutes. You can generate all this in less than 30 minutes. So using our AI software, it's an AI article writer, you can generate thousands of words in less than or equal to 30 minutes, or sorry, 30 seconds. And if you want to expand on the generated article further, simply use our long form editor with state of art features including summarize, expand, rewrite, and plagiarism checker. Other major features including human sounding voiceover for YouTube videos and podcast, custom tools, Facebook and Google Ads, landing page copy, social media content, Quora answers, product description, and many more. Right Cream can also automate your sales and marketing. Your prospects receives hundreds of emails daily and their brains have adapted to ignore them. We have built Right Cream to generate personalized, customized introductions that compel recipients to open, click, and respond. And who can use this? At a glance, we can see that it is best for content writer, copywriters, marketers, and it's an alternative of Contently, Grammarly, Jasper. It is integrated with Gmail, Google Docs, LinkedIn, WordPress, and its AI features, and there is courses included here, and you will get certification of course. And you know that it's one time payment for lifetime deal. It's 96% discounted, so you just have to pay 59 USD, that means $59, and you are getting it for your lifetime and generate thousands of word articles in just 30 minutes, sorry, 30 seconds. uh, 40 plus tools to create content, that is digital ad copy, video and audio, AI personalization, custom tools, articles and blogs, social media. And there are some new features also, and this software supports 75 plus languages, so it's a huge benefit. And there is plan features. At a glance, the deal's term is lifetime access to Right Cream plan. You must redeem your codes within 60 days of purchase. So you can purchase this and you can try this for 2 months. After 2 months, if you think that it's not suitable for you, you can refund your money, no problem. So there is no hassle and there is no risk as well. All features are up to date. And if we go through their plan, there are three types of plans. Plan 1, it's one time purchase at the rate of 59 USD, and plan 2, one time purchase for $118, and plan 3 is $177. So if you see that there are, if you want the big package, then you will get some more benefits there. And if you want to purchase this, there is a purchase link in my description, so you can check this out. So I hope All is well. Thank you and bye bye.